It's Stitch Tricks time, you guys. This time I asked for another vacation-related themed box. So I'm going to be heading to the beach in a few days, and I just asked for a Myrtle Beach box. So something curated, something fun for the beach, flowy dresses, sundresses, maybe a shorts and a top outfit, sandals, anything like that. I was very specific on what I asked. And as you have seen in the past, some of my specifically requested vacation fixes have been good. So we're going to see what's inside this Myrtle Beach requested fix. So I do want to ask you guys something. So I noticed that in the past couple of fixes that when they send me the preview, it's been somebody different than my stylist. So I was going through a thing where I kept requesting the same stylist, but they were not giving her to me. So they had just put me with another stylist, and when I asked customer service about it, they just said she wasn't available. So they didn't really give me any reason why she wasn't with me anymore. And I don't really think I'm very picky. I'm being a little bit more selective now because there's not too many things that I need. So that's why I'm having a lot of fun with these like travel inspired boxes. Just something fun because the last time I checked out, they waived the styling fee. So it's kind of like a fun box that's free for me to just try to see what they think I might like on my vacation. So I have ordered a few of these this year, and then I'm actually going on a back-to-back trip. So my next trip is going to be Charleston. So I'm hoping to get a Charleston box as well. We'll see how they do on that one. So let's see how they're going to do on the Myrtle Beach one. But let me ask you. So I got the preview this time, and it was not from my stylist, and I didn't like anything on the preview. Sometimes when that happens, they'll ask me if I want another preview. Well, this time they did not. Has that happened to you guys before? And then also, when you get the preview, is yours preview styled by somebody else other than your stylist? Because I did notice that it had a different person. So when I open this up, I'm either going to have a new stylist or somebody different picked out my preview than my stylist. So let's see. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. It's a $20 styling fee, and then anything that you choose to keep, that will go toward the styling fee. But if you choose to not keep anything, you will be out that $20. They always send you a prepaid label to send anything back that you don't want. It's free shipping to you, free returns back. You won't be charged anything until you check out and decide what you want to keep. So let me see if I still have the same stylist. Yes, I have Kirsten again. So I do have the same stylist, and she did make a note about being vacation ready for Myrtle Beach. So let's see if she was able to handle the task. I have 5 things in this one, and it's not too bad of a price. There are a couple of higher items, but nothing like there's no Liverpool or cut from the cloth that I get in here. Sometimes it's over $100. Everything is under $78 per piece. Let's see what's inside. Some pretty colors. So this is a really pretty pink. This is from 41 Hawthorn, the Rosie Cotton Bubble Hem Blouse in pink, size medium. So I know bubble hems are really popular on the bottoms. I don't much like things that tie in the center, but I've never had anything that ties on the side. I love this eyelet detail, and the color's pretty. I hope it's not too short. And then this feels like a good material. Oh, it's Maggie London's. This must be a dress. Maggie London Sleeveless Maxi Dress, blue, size medium. So I do like this print. It's a pretty print. The material feels really good. Let's see what it's made out of. It's like a stretchy material. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. I love Maggie London. I usually get their fit and flare dresses. They're kind of above the knee. So this will be my first Maxi trying, I think, with Maggie London. And then this is a really pretty green. 41 Hawthorn Sleeveless Collared Shift Dress in green. I thought it was a shirt. So this is really cute. I like this kind of preppy look, and it's a really pretty color. And then next up, oh gosh, this feels soft. Thread and Supply, the Zodie short sleeve scuba knit top in taupe. So this is really nice. I love a quarter zip. I think that you all know that by now. So we'll see how that looks. And then here's a pair of shorts. 41 Hawthorn, Catalina lightweight trouser short in indigo. I love a trouser short. It's got elastic in the back. That'll be really good. And side pockets. Oh, look how much this stretches. This stretches a lot, so I like that. As long as it's a good inseam length. This looks short. I asked for at least a 4 or 5. I don't really want that 3, 3.5, but we'll see how all of this looks together. So looking at this, I do see a tops and a shorts outfit and 2 dresses and another shirt that I could mix or match. So I think overall, she kind of checked the boxes of what I was asking for. Let's just see how everything looks like on. So here's the first outfit look. And I do like this top. You know, I love a good quarter zip, and this is a good length. And it's just that scuba knit material, which I love. It's temperature regulated. Can't see the bra on the side. I think it's cute. It's taupe. It's gonna go with so much. I could wear this with colored shorts if I wanted to, crops. And I do like these shorts. So I've got to walk around to see if they're gonna roll up in the center, because I don't like that. But because of my thicker thighs, I love that it has a little bit of stretch to it, but it's got that wider leg. I think this might be a 3.5 inch. If they're a 4-inch, then they're right at that 4-inch mark. But I love that they have this elastic in the back because I feel like they're very comfortable. If I eat a little bit too much on vacation, then they're still gonna fit me. So I do like these. I think I like this whole entire outfit. So the top is from Thread and Supply. It's $55. The shorts are from 41 Hawthorn. They're calling them a trouser short. They're $78 though. These shorts are expensive, you guys. I don't know if I like these shorts or not now. That's steep for a denim short. I feel like I can get denim shorts elsewhere for cheaper, Nordstrom Rack, because I just picked up a great pair of white ones from Sanctuary that were under $35. So, I'll have to see about that. But I do like the top. And then, of course, since I just got 5 items, if I want that 25% discount, I'm going to have to keep all 5. So, I'm looking already ahead at if I bought all 5 items, what the discount would be with the 25% off. It would take $77.50 off, which pays for the shorts. So we'll see how everything else looks. This is a cute top. I love the color of it. I do like this bubble hem. The strings on the side, like the ties on the side, don't bother me because I can just roll those. And the eyelet detail's so pretty. No bra, I like that. I think it's cute. I love the color of this one. And I actually think this would look good with white bottoms. So this top is from 41 Hawthorn, and it is $49. So I normally love Maggie London dresses, but I normally get them right above the knee. I don't think I've ever tried a Maxi. And I also like dresses with pockets. This one doesn't. But I think if it had pockets, it might add a little bit to the hip. This is a clingy material, and I'm always self-conscious with my midsection, and I don't want to wear shapewear. I just want to be who I am. But I don't want to show my stomach either, so I want clothes that are going to hide that. It's like more of a tank style. I mean, the material is stretchy a little bit, even though I feel like it's clingy to me. This is definitely a maxi. It's hitting me right at the ankle, and I'm 5'5". So, I don't know. It's nothing special. The print's okay. The fit's okay. The length's okay. But I have a lot of dresses. If you saw my declutter, I do have a lot of dresses. So, it's going to have to be a really spectacular dress for me to be able to keep it. I usually get my Maggie London dresses at Nordstrom Rack after they went on sale, so I know that they can be pricey full price. But this one's not as bad as it usually is. This is from Maggie London, and it's $69. But again, I don't know that it's spectacular enough. Okay, here's the last dress. The color's gorgeous. The length's fine. It's got this rib detail, so it's nice. It's loose, so, you know, not too clingy. You can see the side, didn't show my belly. And no pockets. It's got that polo style. And let me see at the price of this. If it's not inexpensive, it's not worth me getting because it's not that wow factor. This is from 41 Hawthorn. Looks like there was a lot from 41 Hawthorn in this fix. $59. So the total for all 5 items, the 2 dresses, the shorts, and the 2 tops, $310. If I bought all 5, got the 25% discount, that would take $77.50 off, which would pay for the shorts, and make the total $232.50. Because I didn't have a styling fee or anything like that, it was waived. That's the total before taxes, which are 10% basically almost here in Tennessee. So, what do you guys think? I think she hit the mark on what I was asking for. I asked for dresses, daytime dresses, you know, summery dresses, and then I asked for maybe a tops and a shorts outfit. So she delivered on exactly what I was asking for. Quarter zips, I love quarter zips. I love Maggie London. I think I even bought a couple from Stitch Fix. I like dresses more so that hit right above the knee than maxi. I don't know, it kind of makes me feel like maxi are a little bit too short. I like midi or above the knee because I have shorter legs. I have a longer torso and shorter legs. So, I love that pink top. I love the quarter zip, but the quarter zip was $55, and that seems excessive. It's that scuba knit material, and I like the shorts, but I don't like the shorts for $78. So in order to justify the shorts, I would have to get everything. But that Maggie London dress is $69, and that was not a wow factor for me. I think the thing I like best about this is the color of this one and the shape. I feel like I could find a polo style dress like this, because there's nothing spectacular about this, for maybe even Amazon for $20-30. And this one is $59. So I could find one half price if I wanted to. So I may be taking everything back from this fix, or I might keep that pink top. That pink top was interesting. I don't have anything like it. It's that eyelet, that bubble hem, and it was nice. And it was $49. So, gosh, I do love everything. Like, I like everything, and I like the way everything fits. But as far as my needs go, do I want to pay $60 for this one? I feel like I could find one half price, just similar to this. And the Maggie London dress, I don't know that it was flattering enough for the price of it. Those shorts are pretty expensive, so if I don't get everything, those shorts are not worth it. But I did like everything. So what do you guys think? What would you do with this fix? I mean, everything was good. She met my requests, sent me everything that I like, and the cost is pretty reasonable. I mean, for all 5 items, it's one of my lower priced boxes. It wasn't real pricey. It's just like, I don't know if I need these items to justify the cost of what I would be paying for these, just because of the fact that if you all have seen my declutters, you've seen part of my closet and know that I don't really need anything. It's like different things that I want to try. And like I said, just ordering these fixes that are specific to trips that I'm taking is just fun for me. If they didn't waive the styling fee, I might not do it, but since they're waiving the styling fee every time I check out, that's why I really like to get these for the trips. What do you think about this fix? Do you think this fix was specific to a Myrtle Beach vacation? And what would you keep out of this? I think it's a 5 for $5 box for sure. I liked everything in it. But am I going to keep everything because of the fact that I don't need it all? I don't know. That's something I'm going to have to sit here and think about. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, hit that like button for me, you guys. And then also consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel. I'll have a vlog when I come back from Myrtle Beach on all the things that we did and where we ate at Myrtle Beach. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, have a wonderful day.